Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to fix your iPhone battery draining while charging. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now here are a few things that we need to consider about our battery draining while charging. Now the first thing is we need to make sure to use Apple's original accessories that come with the iPhone. Now we need to ensure to pick an MFI certified iPhone charger, so that's made for iPhone, and that we need to at least use a 20 watt or higher power adapter. Now go ahead and try to plug the charger to a different wall socket as well if the case is to do with the power outlet causing your battery to drain. And one thing that we can go ahead and do is to disable the optimized charging feature. Now all we need to do is to go into our settings right here and then scroll down until we can see battery and then go into battery health and charging. Now all we need to do is to toggle this optimized battery charging off. So go ahead and just turn this off right here. And then another thing that we can go ahead and do is to remove any apps that is running in the background and then go ahead and reboot your phone. So take a look at what apps is currently running and then just switch them off. Go ahead and reboot your phone once again and then try to charge once again from there. Now another thing that we can go ahead and do is to check our phone's battery health. So all we need to do is to go into settings and then go all the way down once again into battery right here and then battery health and charging. Now this will give you information in terms of your iPhone's battery life. And as much as possible, you need to have at least 80% maximum capacity or higher to ensure that your battery is healthy. If it is lower than that, then you should get something like this, where you are being asked to replace the battery to restore back into full performance and capacity through an Apple authorized service provider. Well, there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.